guys, Steph here. Okay, yes, we've got another pen from my recent pen haul. I know you people like to see the before and the afterwards. So here's the before, here's the pen from my recent haul. Yes, it's it looks fine, but like all the pens, just need a little bit of TLC. And here we have the pen after that TLC. Look at that lovely, handsome fountain pen. Very nice indeed. What we've got for you here is the Mentmore Paramount fountain pen made in England. And made in England around about the 1940s. Now, for you people that don't know, very briefly, Mentmore were obviously a British manufacturer, i.e. made in England. They started off, I believe, around about the 1920s, maybe slightly earlier, in London, and the name came from their sort of office or base in London, which was Mentmore Terrace, hence the name Mentmore. And the Mentmore pens came in many different colours, many different designs, different trim, etc. They also made pens for other manufacturers. They made pens for sort of stationery companies, etc. So they were a major, well, in my opinion, a major player within the fountain pen industry. And in my opinion, as in this particular pen, they made quality fountain pens, as good as any of the well-known sort of manufacturers of that particular period. They are superb quality made fountain pens, and they make excellent everyday writers. So what we've got, as I said, the Mentmore Paramount. The size of this one capped is 135mm capped. Around the barrel, it's approximately 11.5mm in diameter, and as you can see, this one comes in what they term as the blue pearl or blue marbling. And this particular model also, I believe, came in other different colours. I've actually seen a green version. Well, in fact, I actually had a green version that I actually reviewed many years ago. And what I'll do, I'll leave you a link to the top there at the end, so you can go and have a look at that. Yeah, as I say, a green one that I had. They also made, I believe, a sort of pinkish red one, etc. So they may have made them in numerous different colours, but this one, as I said, in this gorgeous blue marble or blue pearl. Now you can see the barrel imprint there, and it says Mentmore. Well, it says Mentmore Paramount, but for some reason the sort of the end of the word of the Paramount is slightly worn. Okay, but you can see underneath as well, it has made in England. Okay, while we're on it, you can see it's a lever filled fountain pen. It's got this quite a thin and plain lever, as you can see there. And then if we take it up to the cap, it's got this cap band. And it's actually sort of, you can see it's sort of knurled all the way around the band there. Very attractive in my opinion. And it's got this lovely sort of quite a long and sort of, not a wrap round, but to the top there you can see it goes to the very peak of the cap. But this lovely Mentmore clip with the word Mentmore on the clip itself. Okay, so very nice indeed, and you've obviously noticed it comes in this what we term as a torpedo shape. Now if I unscrew the cap for you, Okay, let's give the pen sort of different angles so you can see it. In my opinion, as I say, they're absolutely superb pens. This one, as you can see, has been fully restored. Everything's been thoroughly clean. We've put a brand new sack in the pen. So what we'll do, we'll try and find a new home for it. So let's show you the section. It's got this lovely section, quite a small section, a slight ridge towards the nib there. And then if we show you the nib, let's keep it nice and still. As with a lot of these Mentmore pens, the nib reads Mentmore Osmi Iridium 14 karat gold. There's a sideways view, and then if we show you the feed underneath, it's got the classic sort of what we term as a ladder feed, and on this particular one you can see it's also got a patent sort of applied for or whatever number underneath the feed, like so. But you can see there everything has been thoroughly cleaned in gorgeous condition. It's a lovely pen, a lovely size pen, very comfortable to hold even with my large hands. What we'll do, let's bring on some paper. I'm not going to fill the pen because I've put a new sack in it, and I'll leave the pleasure of filling the pen to the new owners. So what we'll do, we'll just simply do a dip test, and just to see how the pen writes. So what we've got is a Mentmore Paramount. As we said, this one is made in England, and again made in England around the 1940s. It's writing, as you can see, with a fine line. It doesn't feel like it has any flex, so there you go, no flex on the pen. So nice and simple, a lovely pen, writing very nicely with a fine line. And there you have it there, a lovely writer for you people, anybody that's looking for a nice fine nib to write with. This will make an ideal candidate for you. So let's see and find a new home for this gorgeous pen where somebody will enjoy it for many years to come. So what we've got is a very underrated pen manufacturer, in my opinion. Not a great deal of people know about these, but you do now. They are absolutely superb pens. As I said, made them in many different colours, different trim, different material, etc. But this one, as I say, the Paramount in this sort of torpedo shape, not as common as a lot of the other Mentmore pens. It's not rare, but it's not a common model. So a gorgeous pen. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen. As always, as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. So don't be shy, leave a comment below. Press that thumbs up there, if you will. A lot of people forget about it. Press the thumbs up, and I believe somehow that helps me. Don't forget to subscribe as well so you don't miss any videos. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini, and from me and this gorgeous pen, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.